Hello friends, this is the look. If you want to see how I created this look, then keep watching. So as you can already tell, I did my base. I used my Dewy and Smooth Fit Me foundation by Maybelline, my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, then I set that using my Hourglass ambient powder and some powders from my Australis Cosmetics palette, and then I used my Master Chrome Maybelline palette thing to contour and to blush. Then for highlight, I used my ColourPop ColourPop Super Shock highlighter. And for brows, I used this Flower Beauty brow like pen thing. Looks like that. I also used my new Chi Chi sponge, and it has a nice big boot on it. Nice big booty. And you already saw the intro and the thumbnail, so you already know what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna start doing it. I don't even know what I'm doing yet, but you know. So what inspired this look is these. I got these the other day from Chi Chi. They were on special, $8, so I couldn't resist. I love all coloured eyeliners, so like $8 is cheap as chips. That sounds so bogan, but it is. Do you like my top, by the way? I made it from thrifted fabric. You can tell that it's made when you look here. You can see there's like this bit of fabric that just sticks out. Yeah, but I just go like that and you can't tell. Here's some pink eyeshadow. I'm going to use the ColourPop and Kathleen Lights Dream St palette. I'm going to go in with this shade here. Maybe I should zoom you in a bit. Although I don't have an actual zoom, so I've just got to literally like push you in like, ooh. Oh, it's stuck. It's stuck. What's it stuck on? Hello. Oh look, you can see my pimples nice and clearly. Love that. Now that same colour on an itty bitty little brush. We're just gonna boop. Just boop. So now I'm gonna go in with this pink highlighter in this little highlight palette from Model's Own. And I'm gonna break some rules and put sparkle in the crease. Shh, do not tell anyone. Don't call the police on me. It's okay. The world will be fine. Oh shit, I just dropped that. Can barely even see it. So I want to cut the crease, but the brush I use is green. So BRB, I need to clean that. I'm back. So I cleaned this the best I could, and by that I mean I spent 2 seconds cleaning it and gave up. So I'm going to go in with my Australis lightning drops and cut the crease. And that is my cut crease. Now I'm going to set that half cut crease using the white shade from the same thing I used before. So right now this look is looking very familiar to the flower one I did before. Check out that video, link somewhere. I don't know where I'm going to link it, I don't know how. If I remember, there'll be a pop-up right there, we'll see. Now I'm going to go in with this pink Chi Chi eyeliner that I showed before. Now cross your fingers, pray to Sky Daddy. Am I like over here? Oh, did you see that? Now I'm going to draw little stars. So one here. Cute. So I already filled in my eyebrows, but now I'm deciding I want them white. So I'm going to use my Gross Disgusting Red Dot Face Palette, a brush that's also green, and fill them in. I'm expecting a delivery soon. Let's hope it doesn't come while I'm looking like this. Okay, I feel like I need to put this pink shadow on other spots of my face to make it blend in. Let's take a blush brush and just, ooh. Ooh, bitch, okay, that's a lot. Oh, no, no, no. Oh God, regrets. So I know that I said I was using the Chi Chi eyeliners, but I lied. I'm gonna use the ColourPop white one for my inner corner. So back to the Chi Chi. So now using the white Chi Chi line, I'm going to do dots and freckles and stars and all that goodness. Can you see them? Cute! Kinda hate it, but it's cute. Let's cover my pimples. I'm gonna do a big boy on my cheek. Look at him. He's hefty. Now with the pink, just do a few dots just so that it's there. Boop, 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 boop. Why didn't you tell me that I forgot mascara? Rude. Carefully. Do not blink. Heaven forbid. Do not. Oh, I blinked. I have good news. So I work at a fast food place, and we had a manager who did not like me very much. I think it's because I'm very girly. Like I love hair, makeup, nails, everything like that. So I think some people, that can translate to them believing that I wouldn't take a job seriously, or that I wouldn't be able to be stern and be a supervisor or anything like that. Like they just think that I'm some dumb girly girl. Which I mean, I'm a bit dumb. I say some dumb things, ask some dumb questions, you know, but who doesn't? Anyway, so he would only give me a shift a fortnight, which is like $70 a fortnight. I cannot like survive, you know, I'm gonna die on that amount of money. And then so for other reasons he eventually got fired, and so now a few months later I am a supervisor and part-time, which is amazing because job security, hello, annual leave, hello, you know, rights, hello. So yeah, so your girl can actually start saving up now. Now I'm gonna line my lips. W7 lip twister. I should have scrubbed my lips first, but it's not gonna happen. Who else hates it when your lip pencil gets on your little fuzzies around your lips? And then you've got like these little, like what were clear little hairs, now are pink and very noticeable. And like I wax my little stash, you know, but I can't get that close to my lip because I'm terrified I'll like rip my lip off. All girls have a moustache to some degree. As much as we hate to talk about it, it's there. I'm thinking of using this lip stain from Cellarfit. It's in the shade number 1, Dry Rose. If you're interested, I did a review on Cellarfit. It is a South Korean beauty brand. They sent me some makeup and I did a video on it. The video wasn't part of like the deal or whatever, I just did it because I wanted to, so it's an honest opinion. If you're interested in those kinds of products, check it out. I quite like them all, spoiler alert. I think instead I'm gonna go in with this. It's scientifically proven that making that noise makes your lipstick turn out better. It's science. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this mess. If you did, please subscribe and also go follow my Instagram. There I post other looks as well that I don't show on my YouTube, and I post pictures, like the pictures from the thumbnail. I use my Instagram pictures as the thumbnails, so you've already seen it, but go check it out anyway. But yeah, thank you for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. God, intros are so stressful. I don't know why. I just get baffled. Like my brain just goes like, how do I speak English? I can't tell if I look cute or if I look like a mess. It's really hot, I'm so nervous. I need to shut up.